My name is Kelly Wilbar. I'm the Director of Scoring and Technology Solutions for Qubica AMF. Qubica AMF is the largest provider of bowling and mini bowling products around the world. And it's our mission to make bowling amazing. We're on an endless quest to create fantastic new things that will absolutely dazzle consumers and bring more people to enjoy bowling. Bowling's changed significantly over the years and the decades. What used to be driven by leagues and tournaments and really a sport, today it's a recreation and much more casual than anything else. And so the vast majority of people who come bowling today, they come for fun. As technology has evolved, consumers expect a lot more out of their experience. And so one of the things that's been really important to us is to be able to innovate and bring the sorts of technology to the bowling entertainment experience that consumers expect, including interactive consoles and vibrant displays and all the things that they expect to see from the very best technology, video games, and more. We're here this week at IAAPA in Orlando to introduce the world to hyper bowling, a revolutionary, all-new bowling-based activity that really is like a physical video game on a bowling lane. When players come up to the lane, the first thing they're going to see is this doesn't look like bowling that they've ever seen before. They're going to look out on the lanes and see bright, colorful targets that are moving around. And those targets are at the absolute heart of the game, where you can throw the ball, hit a colorful target, and knock down pins, and it acts as a multiplier. So it's a very immersive video game experience. And just like the very best video games, it features the features that people expect, including progressive levels, new challenges, high scores, and more that really gets people engaged in the game. What's great about hyper bowling is it absolutely levels the playing field so anyone can play. It doesn't matter if you've ever been a bowler before or if you've ever been good at bowling before, anyone can play at hyper bowling and everyone enjoys it. It's great for players of all levels. We've been absolutely amazed by the feedback from consumers and visitors here at IAAPA to hyper bowling. People absolutely get engaged with it, they're having a great time up there playing, and they really feel the excitement that's there and really feel the attributes that make it stand out versus the traditional bowling game. Hyper bowling is an all-new technology platform that's not only available to new facilities, but also existing bowling centers as well. So it can be installed as a retrofit and an overlay right on top. And the game starts right now with 4 different options, 4 different ways for people to play, which provides a tremendous amount of content for people to enjoy. And it's an all-new platform that'll be expanding in the future over the years. So centers will always have the opportunity to add new content and keep things fresh and offer more to their customers. We've been working on hyper bowling for 3.5 years, and I can't tell you how amazing and exciting it is to see it here for real and see people come through and feel the attributes and the excitement, and they just absolutely love it. And it's really going to drive more people to bowling and entertainment than ever before. And what's really been gratifying for our team too is that we were awarded the best new product here at IAAPA this year.